Say hello, DJ.
Hi. We meet again. This is unfortunate circumstances.
Unfortunate circumstances. You drive the problem child.
I guess so.
That is forever your car's name. I'm gonna make you a decal for it, and I'll make you a shirt. Being that I have a connection with somebody who makes shirts.
Oh boy, my own T-shirt.
Mm-hmm. Prop child.
I'll take it.
So we think he's got a boost leak.
I hope.
Because his fuel trims are all over the place. And other than that, it rides fine. You know, besides a couple skips here and there. So we'll see what happens. We're just gonna do a boost leak test and see if it fixes it. If not, just gonna get some gasoline in a flare and set it on fire and push it out in the middle of the road.
Insurance.
And as you see, yes, it's still in pieces. Soon enough. I know I keep saying soon, but anybody who's doing a build knows soon just means it'll be done sometime soon. So Pedro been driving around with a boost leak, a pretty big one, if you hear. Just need to find it.
Oh, it's right here.
No, I told you it was right there. How big is it?
The coupler is probably just loose. Because it's blowing out from the seam.
Blowing out from the seed?
Yeah.
Aren't you glad I did that instead of a smoke test?
Yeah, so what should I do? Loosen it and push the pipe further into the coupler?
Yeah, and tighten it up good. No zip ties.
You know, no zip ties.
Okay.
No zip ties. Fuel pressure issues.
Yeah. This guy been chasing fuel pressure issues for, I don't know, a month now.
Mass airflow sensor.
Mass airflow sensor, replace the
Fuel pressure relief
fuel
valve.
pressure relief valve, change the spark plugs, his battery, all this nonsense, and he ain't checked none of his couplers.
You know what it was? Remember that day I told you I was doing that data log? And I had to tighten it on the side of B-line with a flashlight on my phone? It might have been that.
So after all that, guys, he didn't even tighten it all the way back up. So
I couldn't jack the car up, and it was 12 at night.
but he still the next day didn't go back and double check it.
No. You're not going to discredit the fact that I be tired.
This man said he's tired. I got 2 kids, 2 dogs, and a wife, plus my mother-in-law that I take care of.
I just told him myself.
So, but you know, when you're used to using zip ties, you know, 240 gang stuff, you know.
Ain't no zip ties on here.
So if I go around your car, I ain't gonna find one zip tie.
You gonna find them, but holding bumpers on.
Yeah, I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
You're not gonna find
Zip
one
tie,
on a coupler.
zip tie, zip ties,
Hey, don't be telling my trade secrets.
zip ties.
See how you just put me on blast on the internet?
Nissan Mazdaspeed 3.
You get blown away. The zip ties reduce the weight.
You heard that? You get blown away because zip ties reduce the weight. You're gonna get blown away because his coupler ain't gonna be tight and his pipe gonna come off and hit you.
You know what? Just check it. Just, you know, put some air in it again. Let's see what happens this time. If it blows some more air out of here, you know, I don't know what to call it. Maybe I didn't tighten it enough. Let's find out.
You ready?
Yeah.
Damn, it's nice and quiet. Damn.
No, it's coming back.
But
Nah,
not
it's coming from up here.
Nah, it's still from down here.
But not as loud as before, right?
No, so I gotta tighten it some more.
Damn. So moral of the story is Poncho don't know how to tighten nothing up.
Bro, this
So,
thing is tighter than tight can get.
but it was leaking.
Some more here. Where'd it go?
Moral of the story,
Tighten my shit up.
especially if it blow off on the side of the road at midnight and you don't have the proper equipment to check it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Penny wise, dollar stupid. And he work at a bank.
I can count your money though.
Will, if you see this, if you ever see something wrong with his car,
He says probably a boost leak.
this is what I go through all the time, Will. I'm sorry.
Woo!
Maybe I should have sent him to another tuner. Keep
He
our
was so patient with me on the phone too.
we could have kept our relationship so platonic, you know, cool, mellow, relaxed.
He's still
Then I
great,
introduce you to this guy and he got dumb problems because he
He's a goofy.
blow his coupler off at midnight and don't tighten it back up all the way. And wonder why his car run like ass.
Man, it's all over the place, you know? Can't figure out why. Shit. I would have figured it out eventually.
Eventually, huh?
You know when I would have figured it out?
After-
When they blew back
Look
up.
up.
It wouldn't have blew back up because it can't build no goddamn boost.
Yeah, I'm still in my targets. Just, you know. That thing must have been chirping at idle at the red lights for me to be all the way at 1,000. Come to think about it, that might have been that whistling sound.
Welcome,
Hear it over the way.
welcome to my world.
This car is a normal car. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. It's
We
a
get
normal
basic
car.
Issues over here, you know.
Basic issues. Okay, my ass.
Boost leaks.
We was changing AFR sensors and O2 sensors because this fool didn't tighten up a coupler.
Oh, that's why they went bad, huh?
If y'all ever see him in the streets,
Take me to Gapplebee's if you can.
just slap fire from him and send me the video. TikTok famous.
I wouldn't advise doing that.
Yeah, I be cautious, you know, because there might be like
They got them rectangles, you know. that they make for-
there might be 9 things that come at you, and they in the size of 9mm. So be cautious.
You know,
And
flat.
we are known to give out free rectangles to everybody. They go about 6 feet under. So
Yeah, color it any color you want to.
pastel, nardo gray, black, mahogany.
You can put your license plate on it if you want.
Man, they look nice. Till they
You ain't
6
gonna
foot.
see it,
Yeah,
you know?
you won't see it.
Everybody else gonna see it.
Oh, shit.
No slaps for DJ, nothing public. Nope.
Nah, yeah, don't slap them, but just, you know,
Don't you gotta blow it?
yeah, just you know, just call them special when you see them.
Ask me about my boost leaks and I'll tell you how they going.
Yeah, if you ask him about his boost leak, he might have more.
No, I might.
Hey, no, you never know. You ain't tightened one up from how long ago?
That was probably January, February.
6 months, people. He been driving around with a boost leak for 6 months because he forgot to tighten it up.
No, technically 4 because I haven't been driving it the last 2.
6 months, people. Don't matter how long you've been driving it.
No, that's neither here nor there.
Oh, neither. You hear this? Neither here nor there.
What's about this dust?
It's just battery.
Really? You ask, what's with all this dust in the engine bay? You worry about the dust, but you weren't worried about that boost leak that's 6 months old.
I really was. Just couldn't find out where it was coming from.
And you wouldn't think that'd be the first thing you check.
That couple, no. To be honest with you, I honestly forgot about it.
Y'all see this? This is the face of a person who don't check boost leaks. No, don't walk away. Don't walk away. People know who you are already anyways.
Hey, that's fine. That makes it easier when they get that nutcracker.
Mm-hmm. All 127 of y'all who are subscribed to me, even if y'all don't regularly watch the videos, please roast DJ in the comments. Please. I wanna see your best in the comments. Please. I would love a good laugh because I am that guy. Are you? This guy is tightening the battery with a wrench on the positive side and gonna hit the metal firewall. Please roast him in the comments. Please. I'm talking about 5-alarm fire roast.
Give me a break, alright?
I ain't getting you no break. You forgot who I am? There ain't no breaks allowed. I'm taking it easy on you. But these comments, I know they gonna be straight fire.
All 127.
Hey, you never know. We can get them some randoms to watch it too. They gonna straight roast you, DJ.
Somebody's gonna show their friend.
Oh, they all gonna show it to their friends. DJ. I said check everything. Told y'all he leaves stuff loose. Look at this. Look at this. He didn't even plug his boost controller in. He's gonna wonder why he got no boost. A bigger vacuum problem. He's got siblings, people. And I don't think none of them are like him. He's a special breed.
That is for sure. 100%.
Mr. Bell, I'm sorry about your son. If you see this video, I know what you've been through now. I commend you. I would have drop kicked him a long time ago. Long time ago if I was you.
Self-inflicted tragedies, that's all it is.
Mrs. Bell, I'm pretty sure you've been holding your husband back from like Luke Kane bicycle kicks coming across the living room.
So you think I can send that mass airflow sensor back?
Did you put it on? Did you put it on?
I can't say that on camera.
I'll just tell you they have ways of checking. Alright, so we back from the test drive. The problem child is driving a lot better, but you know,
to be determined.
We'll see. You know, this.
You gotta give with this car. You gotta give it a few days.
Well, we're gonna treat this like an episode of One Piece, to be continued for all my anime fans. So
we'll see how it goes in a few days.
But like, subscribe, you know, and don't forget, roast Poncho in the comments. I'm talking about.
I'll be waiting.
5-alarm roasting.
I need something to
don't
do
hold
late
back.
night.